Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word is agent. That's right, agent is a B1 level noun, and it refers to a person who acts on behalf of another, often in a business or professional setting. Let's start with a clear definition. An agent is someone who represents another person or group, handling tasks, making decisions, or negotiating on their behalf. For example, a real estate agent helps people buy or sell property, and a travel agent arranges trips and vacations. Now, let's look at some synonyms for agent. Words like representative, broker, and delegate carry similar meanings. For instance, the insurance broker helped me choose the best policy, or our company's representative attended the trade fair. On the flip side, some common antonyms for agent are principal, client, and customer. These refer to the individuals or entities being represented rather than the ones doing the representing. For example, the client signed the contract with the help of their agent. In everyday life, you might encounter the word agent in a variety of contexts. Imagine you're buying a home. You'd probably work with a real estate agent to find the perfect place. Or think about booking a vacation. You might call a travel agent to handle all the details. The word also pops up in phrases like secret agent, often referring to someone working undercover, like in spy movies. Here are some examples of agent in action. The talent agent secured an amazing role for the actor. An advertising agent proposed a new campaign for the brand. She hired an agent to negotiate the deal on her behalf. To sum up, an agent is someone who acts for another, particularly in professional or business settings. We've explored some synonyms like representative and broker, as well as antonyms like principal and client. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this useful word. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's word, so why not create your own sentence with agent and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep exploring English and making it your own.